Does fasting helps weight loss, or is taking the right amount of food at the right time will help you to gain health? Let's answer this question in today's video. I am Dr. Deepa Shetty here, speaking from my clinic called Sakyam. The mission of Sakyam is well-being of all. So when we speak about health, let's today talk about our physical health. How do I keep myself healthy? What kind of food should I be eating? What is the time of food that matter? Does the portion size help in keeping my body healthy? So I'm not going to talk on weight loss. Weight loss will be an aspect of health, because having a weight or having lots of fat around your body does help you cushion your body, but in healthy body these fats are not serving any purpose. So they tend to accumulate space in your body and causing lot of weight which stand by your legs and your body per se, and that will result into lot of disease condition, because the body is not in its shape which it is required to remain healthy. So I'm not speaking weight loss in terms of getting into a great body, but in terms of health. So let's understand how fasting helps here. So fasting through a research has been shown as a very powerful reset repair mechanism of our body. So it's a pause that you can take in a day or in a week or in a month and allow your body to reset and repair. It's a nature's gift to us, where we can repair our body with our own hand. You don't require any medicine, you don't require anything to repair it. Having said that, fasting has to be done, or what kind of fasting is required for your body is depending upon your health, your disease condition, what you are suffering from, whether your body is healthy to or not, and how much fasting is required, what is the time of fasting required, should be done under us expert opinion. But I would give you a gist how fasting helps you to keep healthy. First and foremost, when we do fasting, the insulin level drops, and hence, since there is no glucose available through the source of your food, fat in your body starts burning to provide energy to your system. Because your body is functioning, you're walking, you're talking, you're doing your work, the energy is required to do this smaller work also. Even while resting, the energy is required, which comes through burning of the fat and not to the direct glucose. So fasting helps you to remove those excess fats from your body. So if you're not a person who has lots of fats and you're actually underweight, this will not work. But this is a general video which speaks about how fasting is healthy when it comes to taking care of your health. Second is it ignites an autophagy system. So you are not eating, hence the body after 12-13 hours of fasting, even sometimes to 24 and 48, but beyond 13-14 hours of fasting, your body 12 hours, your body will start having autophagy mechanism, where the cells which are damaged are removed, the toxins are removed from your system, and a new cell can get formed. Hence fasting is a repair and reset mechanism of your body. It's like a reboot to your body. Inflammation in your body reduces because of the fasting. All the oxidative process, whatever are released, the toxins which are released, it acts as an antioxidant, and all these cells are removed. Hence lot of inflammation of your body, and hence because of inflammation, lot of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, rheumatic arthritis, gut health, all this improves, and you will have, your body will not attract any kind of chronic diseases. So you are setting up a base of your body as a healthy cells are produced, where you will not attract any kind of long lifestyle oriented diseases. So fasting is a lifestyle. It is a way where you can incorporate in your daily life a certain amount of fasting, which will help you to reset your body naturally. Also, growth hormones are said to be released in a fasting body in a fasting environment, which will help you to live a long life, healthier way. The skin will improve, and it is a very good anti-aging process. So if you read a book called Ikigai, which is where there is a village in Japan where people live longer. They live longer, but also not only longer but also healthier. So at 83 onwards till 90, 95, 96 years, they celebrate their birthday and they have their friends living longer, healthier. So it's not about longevity, it is about healthy life that you would want to live. That can happen through fasting. Also, it's a myth that when you fast, you cannot have energy to do your work. In fact, you will have a better, clearer energy available to you to do better work and a better brain clarity. During fasting, the body will take its glucose through fat burning. So the brain is going to function better and your digestion is not happening. So the body is not using its energy to digest all the time or survive all the time, but it is available for a higher purpose of where your immune system is going to be reset and it will be available to make your immune system stronger. So fasting is not about deprivation. It is not about how much less you're going to eat and how much you're going to make your body suffer. It is about taking a choice to not eat, allowing your digestion and your gut to rest, taking that pause so that healing happens. It is a choice that you make for your own self, like the way you make many choices in your life to keep yourself healthy, from an exercise to fasting. In fact, exercise with the fasting will help you to make the body in a better shape and in a healthier state. Now, what kind of fasting can be there? The fasting can be juice fast, fasting can be water fast, fasting can be intermittent fasting. Fasting can be anything, but it will depends upon what kind of lifestyle you have, what kind of workload you have, what kind of things that you do in your life, and when we should incorporate fasting. I usually say fasting to be incorporated in the night. So you stop eating probably after 6 o'clock and you can start eating at 8 o'clock in the morning. So that way, you any which ways are going to eat dinner at 8. If you're going to finish it, the Jain method I really think was a beautiful method, because the food that you eat at night is not required. You're not going to do anything in the night. The energy is not required. Hence, if you fast that time, it is an easier way to do. Having said that, it's important that you see what kind of nutrition are you keeping in the eating period, because it's very important that your vitamin balance has to be there. So if you're fasting and you're going to eat chocolates and high processed food, that doesn't work. You need to eat a nutritious, balanced food in the eating period, so the energy is available for you even in the fasting period, and that will take care of your body in a healthier way. It will keep your health intact. So do take that pause in your life, emotionally as well as physically, to have clarity of mind and body to function at its optimum. We as a human being have been gifted by the higher power to think, to take a choice, and a freedom to do things to keep our body aligned with the higher power and with the nature. Please do that, because that's what you will be able to take control of your health in your hand without needing anybody, and that will help you to understand that the choice is mine. That will help you to see, if I am not able to control my hunger, how will I have control over anything in my life? So your body will teach you how to respect the body that you have and how to help it to remain healthier. Hope this video has added some value to your life. See you soon. Thank you.